All right, this video is going to be all about 1099Ks and 1099 myths for Airbnb, Uber, Lyft drivers in the sharing economy, if you will. So we're going to talk about that because it's critically important if you're doing this sharing economy type of things. You know what tax forms to get and how critical they are when you're doing your own taxes. I use TurboTax, and I recommend most people use TurboTax. Obviously, if you want to get a CPA, that's fine too. If you're just doing it on the fly, though, and you say I'm going to do it on your own, TurboTax is the way to go, in my opinion. The nice thing about Uber, and I'm not sure about Airbnb, but Uber, TurboTax and Uber have an affiliation, so you can just log right into Uber, download it directly to your TurboTax, and you don't need to do anything. So don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share, and comment. Smash, subscribe, share, and comment. So let's dive right into this, my friends. All right, so let's first show from the irs.gov website what the Sharing Economy Tax Center, Sharing Economy Tax Center. If you use one of the many online platforms available to rent a spare bedroom, provide car rides, or connect and provide other good or services, you're involved in something called the sharing economy. An emerging area of activity in the past few years, the sharing economy has changed how people commute, blah, blah, blah. This means if you are receiving income from a sharing economy activity is generally taxable, even if you don't receive a Form 1099 miss, Form 1099K, or payment card or third-party network transactions, a Form W-2, which you probably won't, and a wage and tax statement. So the two critical things there are the Form 1099 miss and the Form 1099K. So if you're part of the sharing economy, those are the two forms you're going to be looking for. So let's go over to Uber's website. What's the difference between the 1099K and the 1099 miss? And the same thing is going to be here on Airbnb, which I'll show you in just a second. The 1099K form reports on all on-trip transactions between riders and driver partners. We will provide you with a 1099K if you earn more than $20,000 in gross unadjusted payments and provided at least 200 trips. If you do not meet both of these criteria, you will not receive a 1099K. We will provide you with a 1099 miss, though, miscellaneous, if you received at least $600 in non-rider payments, i.e. referrals and on-trip promotions. All right. So basically, if you receive $20,000 and 200 trips, you're going to get a 1099K. You'll get a 1099 miss if you received at least $600 in non-rider payments. All right. Now, what happens if you receive less than $20,000? We're going to get into that in just a second. Airbnb. What should I expect to receive a tax form from Airbnb? Depending on your account status, the taxpayer information you submitted to Airbnb, you may receive a tax form from us. As always, we encourage you to seek a tax professional, blah, blah, blah. U.S. persons who have earned over $20,000 and had 200 plus reservations, the IRS requires Airbnb to send you a 1099K. So the same thing in Airbnb is the same thing with Uber. If you have over $20,000 in gross revenue and 200 X, in this case, it's reservations for a Lyft or an Uber, is 200 ride shares. Delivery of Form 1099K. Issued Form 1099K will be available in your payout preferences. You'll receive an email notification when your form is ready, typically in late January. Hosts who have had taxes withheld from their payouts. If taxes were withheld from your payouts during the year, you'll be provided appropriate tax forms so you may account for your withholdings that you already had. All right, so basically, again, if you are in a $20,000 of gross income plus 200X services being rent or ride shares, you will get a 1099K. Now, I want to show you something. What if you don't have that? And I'm going to show you what, at least this is going to be what you'll see on Uber. And here is their summary. And their year-end summary, it's going to be kind of tough to see, but you log into Uber, and you'll see that you have your year-end summary, and everything from your yearly summary is going to be your 1099 and your 1099 miss will be flowing up to your yearly summary, which will also show you your deductible expenses as well. So what you can see is this is your monthly summary. There's a yearly summary, 1099K, monthly summary, yearly summary, 1099 miss, 1099K, 1099K, 1099K. So if you don't have like promotional bonuses and stuff like that, you might not get a 1099 miss. If you have $20,000 and 200 ride shares, you'll get a 1099K. but you'll always get the yearly summary. So everything you need will be in that yearly summary. And what I recommend is just go to TurboTax. You log into TurboTax. You say, did you do rideshare? Yep. You type in your credit information or your credit credentials so they can pull the stuff from Uber directly. Easy as pie. Don't make a mess out of this. Just go to TurboTax, done. Self-employed, every deduction you can start for free. So you see right here, free for Uber driver partners. I don't know if Uber provides that to you for free as part of their affiliation. I have no idea, but why not do it? I mean, my goodness, seems to me if you got Uber and you're also got other 1040 that you got to file, why not just do it for free right there? Makes sense to me. So you do your 1099K, your 1099 miss. If you don't have either, you're still going to get your yearly summary. So let's show you what it looks like. Here's going to be the summary, tax summary breakdown. Oh, I could have done that. Oh, yeah, let's do that, actually. So I could have just made it bigger. There you go. So as you can see here, you download your yearly summary 1099K. And here's going to be what you log into Uber when you click on the yearly summary. It's going to say completed trips, 536. All right, so if you got 536 of completed trips, but in this case, you only have $5,000 of gross trip earnings, we're not going to get a 1099K most likely because we don't have 20,000 plus 200. You got to have both. Net payout is 5,000. We got partner loyalty program, $10. Net earnings was 4,998. So your total payout is $5,008. Now you're going to see in expenses, fees, and tax. Now what happens is when you actually, Uber is going to calculate all that stuff for you. Mileage deductions, all this stuff right here. It'll be in here. They just haven't updated for this screenshot, but it'll be in there. You just click on it, done. So just log into TurboTax, fill up an account, and log in so Uber can just download directly to your TurboTax. Easy as pie. Here, oops, that's not what you wanted to see. Hold on just a second. That's my podcast, by the way, in case you're interested. Here's your 1099K. Let's make this a little bit bigger. And what you'll see is you got, Uber Technologies. That's their address. There's going to be your federal identification number, your tax ID. Here's going to be your name right here. If I can make this bigger for it to stay. Yeah, there you go. And then it'll give you a breakdown of your monthly. So in March, we made $2,000. There's your total. So here we got $26,201 of gross payments, which means that would be part one of our 1099K. Because we have over $20,000. Now here we have a 1099K because we have over $20,000 plus 200 rides. I would think that if you get that much money, you're going to have over 200 rides. Let's put it that way. But let's just say you don't, then you might not get the 1099K. But if you're getting $20,000, you're certainly having over 200 rides. So here you got 26,000 gross payments, and they break it down by month, which is pretty sweet. There you got the filer's federal ID number, and there you got your payee's taxpayer ID number. So all the stuff that you need, there's your filer's name, which is Uber. That's their tax ID. Usually it's a 5-4, but I think nowadays it's not always a 5-4. It's something. And then you got your social security number, essentially. And that's it, man. I mean, you got that. Just load it up in TurboTax. Easy as pie. TurboTax say, what do you have on box 1A? Well, there you go. That's box 1A right there. Got 26,201. And then they're not going to ask you for a breakdown by month. They're just going to tell you the total amount that you have, and you're good. Now, here's 1099 miss. And what you'll see is other income, non-employee compensation, referral bonuses, whatnot. You got $1,700. Still got to report on your taxes for sure. But you got to, but it'll say, what's on box 7? My box 7 is $1,735. And that's it. You're done. And there you got, again, Uber, your name, and then your state taxpayer ID. It's literally that simple, my friend. So that's what you need to know about your 1099K, your 1099 miss for both Uber and Airbnb. It's going to be the same thing. Log into Airbnb, get that information. They'll have a tax summary for you right there. Log into TurboTax and download all that directly. You don't have to worry about a thing. It's easy as pie to do. No reason not to do it. Uber even allows you to go and have an account with TurboTax for free. I don't know if it's going to be free on the filing side. I don't know. I mean, I know TurboTax can sometimes it's free until you have to file 2 or 3 different forms. I don't know. But I tell you, why mess around? Just let it automatically link up and you're good to go. I hope this helps. As always, like what you see here, subscribe, smash the like button, and don't forget to share and, of course, put comments down below. And we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.